Next question. The circumference of a circle is 24 pi cm. What is the area of a sector whose central angle measures 120 degrees? So we are given circumference equal to 24 pi. This means 2 pi r is equal to 24 pi. So pi gets cancelled. We get 2r is equal to 24. I divide by 2 both sides. I get r is equal to 12. So therefore area is given by pi r squared, which is equal to pi times r is 12 squared, which is going to be 144 pi. Now area of the sector is given as theta over 360 times pi r squared. Our theta value is 120 divided by 360 times pi r squared is 144 pi. So 12 divides here 3 times, you have 144 pi divided by 3. 3 divides here 4 times, 12, 2 and 6 times. So this is 46 pi square units. Area of the sector. Okay, so that's the solution for this question. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.